Would you like to really get to know Madrid? Forget the bus, subway, or even taxi. You need to discover Madrid on foot. You need to walk Madrid. Good afternoon, buenas tardes. My name is Ernesto. I'm a Walks Devour tour guide. I know Madrid could be intimidating if this is your first time in Madrid, but don't worry. Together, we're gonna go on a Madrid walking tour. So, vamos! Let's start easy. This is Puerta del Sol, the most iconic spot of Madrid. Look around you. For instance, behind me, we got the clock tower, watched by 50 million Spaniards every year during New Year's Eve by eating 12 grapes. Second, on the ground, we got the starting point of all Spanish roads, marked there, on the floor. A fantastic meeting place for locals and tourists. And third, you will never get bored in this square. There is always entertainment, there is always people, and there is always fun in Puerta del Sol. Now, amigos, we are gonna walk through this lovely pedestrian area to reach, let's say, a fantastic spot that used to be for, let's say, shopping and the most typical tapa, bocadillo de calamares. Our walking tour is taking us to this fantastic square, Plaza Mayor. This used to be the political, economic, and social center of the Spanish society during the heyday of the Spanish Empire, 15 and 1600. Look around you. This is like a theatrical stage. Look at the balconies. The different parts of the society, wealthy people, bourgeoisie, were all standing there watching all kinds of events. Just tournaments, theater plays, poetry contests, but also bullfights and even executions. Nowadays, this is a fantastic spot where everybody, locals and tourists, will love to gather and have fun. Here we are in Gran Vía, one of the most iconic avenues of Madrid. You got everything here. Hotels, entertainment, shops, restaurants. This street never sleeps, 24 hours. And I love it because it's an architecture lesson of our history. My favorite building. Behind me, look at those Art Deco beautiful lines. You know what? When I was a teenager, I used to walk up and down this street to meet people, to see and to be seen. And present day, teenagers do exactly the same here in Gran Vía. Whoa! Adios! Bye-bye! One very important tip. When you're visiting Madrid, when you are walking here, don't forget to always look up, or you are gonna miss lots of marvelous details. Así, ahí se ve bien. Muy bien, sonreír. Otra. Muy bien. Check that out. That was briefly, only 6 months, the highest building of Europe, following Chicago School of Architecture technique, our Spanish skyscraper. Here we are at the main entrance of Madrid's people's favorite park, Retiro. Behind me, Puerta de Alcalá, or Alcalá Gate. Used to be the gates of the city where traders and merchants had to pay taxes, like a toll gate. Paradoxically, nowadays, present day, this is city center of Madrid, and by far Puerta de Alcalá is one of the symbols welcoming every traveler into the city. Hola. Muy bien. A place you can miss, Retiro Park, or as we Madrileños like to say, Parque del Retiro. Yes, not only tourists, but us locals, we love to come here, especially on weekends with friends, with family. Kids love this place, this pond. Imagine renting a boat, pavilions, entertainment, kiosks to have drinks and tapas. This place used to be the historical gardens of a royal palace, only enjoyed by the king exclusive. Nowadays, luckily, it's open to everyone. Leaving Retiro Park through these beautiful manicured gardens, very close by, we got the fantastic Prado Museum. Don't forget to check it out. All right, that's a wrap on our Madrid walking tour. We hit Puerta del Sol, Plaza Mayor, Gran Vía, and here we are at Retiro Park. If you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join us on a guided walking tour with Walks Devour. Gracias. Hasta luego.